In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create a fully functional website using AI without writing a single line of code. And what if I told you we can throw in a custom data collection form tailored for coaching, sales, or onboarding clients without writing a single line of code? It sounds unreal, right? But stick with me, because not only am I going to show you how to do it in under a few minutes, but I'm also going to compare it to another popular platform, Bolt.New, and reveal why Lovable might just blow it out of the water. So let's not waste any more time and let's just get right into it. Alright, so for our example today, we're going to build a website for a coaching business. The site's going to focus on helping people achieve their goals and improve their mental and physical well-being. So here, let's just start off with a straightforward prompt. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Create a website for life coaching, offering strategies to enhance well-being and success. We're going to throw in a call to action there, which is to schedule a free consultation through an online form. So here we're already adding value, and it's in the form of a sales function that'll allow you to add a prospect into your existing sales pipeline. So we'll go ahead and hit submit here. So the beauty of Lovable is that it generates the entire web design automatically, meaning no coding required. So just in a few moments, we're going to have a polished landing page that aligns perfectly with a life coach's needs, complete with an engaging call to action. Alright, so it's pretty cool here. On the left hand side, it's kind of walking you through what it's doing. So it's getting design inspiration from like Headspace and Calm. And these are the features that it's going to have based on like the layout of the website. It also talks about the design elements over here, like the colors, typography, animations, etc. So here we go. All right, it's built the website for us, and I mean, this literally took under a minute with exactly what it said it was going to do. And at the bottom, it's got the data collection form here with the name, the email, and tell us about the goals, and then a button here to send the message. So very simple, very straightforward, and something that could be customized further by coming up here to the left and asking Lovable to just add things. Now, a great feature that sets Lovable apart is how easily it connects to Supabase, which is a tool that allows you to store and manage back-end data like client inquiries directly from the site. And all we have to do is simply authorize the integration. And once that's been done, Lovable sets up a database with columns and tables automatically. So this makes it ideal for those who want to control everything from the front-end experience to the back-end data management, again, without writing a single line of code here. So we can go ahead and ask Lovable to connect Supabase to this project. Alright, so let's go ahead and click here and connect to Supabase, and we're going to go through adding the authentication by simply allowing it API access. So we're going to go ahead and authorize Lovable, and now here it's connecting. So once it's connected, we can create a new project here, and we can come back here and ask Lovable to do things like store consultation form submissions in the database. We can have it add user authentication for client portals, set up secure file storage for resources, and create backend functions for like email notifications. So as you saw, I literally had to just go to the upper right here and click on Supabase to make the connection. The integration is so seamless that even someone without technical skills can manage to do this with ease. And as I've always stated in earlier videos, I do not have a coding background, but I have the ability to fill that knowledge gap with the power of AI. So this is just one example of what Lovable can do, whether you're building for yourself or your client. Its ability to handle both design and data make it an incredibly powerful tool. And when compared to alternatives, it's clear why Lovable is a go-to choice for beginners and professionals alike. So now here's 3 reasons why I personally think Lovable is better than Bolt.New. First of all, it's got a user-focused design and it's very business savvy. Lovable creates websites with a more polished and user-friendly interface compared to Bolt.New. Its designs are tailored to drive business results, such as clear and actionable call to actions. For example, here, schedule your free consultation. Bolt.New's approach, on the other hand, while functional, tends to have less business-oriented messaging. For example, it'd say something like, start your journey, which may not convert effectively, right? Number 2, it's got a seamless backend integration. Lovable makes backend data collection effortless by integrating with Supabase. It automatically sets up columns and tables to collect information like client names, emails, and phone numbers from forms without any manual configuration. This all-in-one integration is particularly valuable for, coaching or sales websites where capturing and managing client data is critical. Bolt.New, on the other hand, lacks the level of built-in backend functionality and ease of use. And then finally, Lovable is designed with non-technical users in mind, making it highly accessible for beginners. The platform automates much of the development process, allowing users to build functional data-driven websites in minutes without any coding knowledge. While Bolt.New can produce results, it doesn't offer the same level of simplicity and automation, making Lovable the better choice for those who want quick, professional results with minimal effort. So in short, Lovable stands out because it prioritizes business results, it simplifies the back-end integration, and makes professional-grade websites accessible to everyone, even those without a technical background. So if you found this walkthrough helpful and would like to watch more AI tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to me. And if you're interested in implementing other time-saving AI strategies into your business, go ahead and click on the calendar link below to schedule a one-on-one call with me. There, we can go over how AI can help you grow and scale your business. And for those looking to master and build AI automations, join my school community using the link below to get exclusive insights and support. At the moment, the community is free of charge. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.